Here is a short video that I want to show you. I didn't do in my last video. Um, Here we have the canopy and here we have the canopy frame. So I cut the canopy frame off and turn the canopy off. Also, now we have this here. Now this looks more like the Rebel Jet when you get it, the canopy and everything. It's like this. And so I'm going to show you how to just mold this like this also real quick. So what I want to do here, create a sketch on this plane here, align, and this is the same thing, when making the molds, also modeling the molds. It's the same thing, but I'm just showing you how to do it. Finish sketch. Turn the sketches back on, and we want to extrude, letter E. This is what we want to extrude, and we want this to be symmetric. Set this to new body. And click OK. Now we have that. Now we want to cut that fuselage into this. So we come up, modify, combine, and this is the target body. The tool body is the jet inside. Set this to cut and click OK. Now I can turn the fuselage off inside, which is the main fuselage, and I'm going to split this in half now. Come up to modify, split body, select this body to split, and now the splitting tool will be this, and click OK. Now we have the two halves. This here is the left half. Modified fuselage mold. As you can see that. And this here is the right. Okay. Now we have that. Now, like I said, there's nothing wrong with the way let's turn these back on. Turn the canopy frame on. The main fuselage and a canopy. Okay. Now there's nothing wrong with the first way I showed you how to make the molds. That's if you want the canopy to be like this on the top, like that. And this is just a second way I did it. So if you want it to look more like the composite ARF style, then this is how you do that way. So, all right, now I still have to make another mold now. I'll turn this fuselage. Okay. Now what I have to do is turn this off. Now these are two parts here. I'm just going to go ahead and combine these two. Set this to join and OK. Now canopy frame and a canopy. Okay. Now what I'm going to do here is just the same thing. create sketch on this plane here, line tool again, finish sketch. Okay, extrude. This is what we want to extrude. I want this to be symmetric. Set this for new body. Click OK. Now we want to cut that canopy frame and the canopy end frame into here. Modify, combine. This is the body, target body. Tool body is this. Keep tools, click OK. Now we can turn that canopy frame off. And we want to split this in half. So we're going to split body. This is the body to split. Splitting tool is going to be this. And click OK. Now this is the left canopy mold. Come down here and change that to that. And this is the right canopy mold. Okay, I can turn that off. And it didn't cut. I don't know why. Let's try that again. Turn the canopy frame on. Take a look at this. Combine this, and set this to cut. Click OK. And that should do it. Yep. And do the same thing for the other side now. Target body, tool body, set to cut, and OK. Now turn this off, canopy frame, and there we have that. Go ahead and save this. Okay. Now I didn't show how to make the canopy for the other, just a regular canopy. So what I'm going to do here, turn this canopy on, create sketch on this plane, again, line, finish sketch, extrude this body, symmetric, new body, we have that. Now combine the two to cut it out. Combine. This is the target body. This is the tool body. Make sure this is cut. That's what I did. And before I didn't have that set to cut, so it didn't cut. And click OK. I can turn that canopy off inside. We don't need it anymore. And split this in half. Select splitting tool is this plane here. And click OK. Now we turn this off. And we have that cut in. And this is the left canopy modified. And this is the right canopy modified. Oops, made a mistake. Okay, so that is it for the molds. Like I said, you can go ahead and print the mold without the canopy frame that way, or with the canopy frame. It just depends how you want to make the jet. But I give you two options here, so have fun with it. And that's the, like I said, that's the end of this three-part series. And once again, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you like the videos, go ahead and hit the like button as well. And we will catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.